Here we have a XBT Ford Transit. This one is the H3L2. Comes with full service history, recent wet belt change. Also comes fully kitted out in the back. All bot racking. Also got a built-in microwave, built-in sockets, LED lights and so on. This one also comes with the rear 12 volt. These are very well maintained vans, do move fast. This one's got full service history, as I say. Will come with a fresh 12 months MOT and full warranty. You can see by the van, it's very presentable, good to go. Feel free to drop us a message or give us a call.